Meaning of cyclone. Cyclone. Cyclone.
Cyclone. Cyclone. Cyclone refers to a system of winds rotating around a center of low atmospheric pressure, typically resulting in stormy and destructive weather conditions such as heavy rain, high winds, and significant storm surges. Cyclones may also be known as hurricanes or typhoons depending on their location. These types of storms can cause damage to infrastructure, homes, and agriculture, and can result in loss of life. It is important for individuals in affected areas to take precautions and follow warnings from authorities to minimize the impact of these destructive forces of nature.